Hi, morning folks. Hope you're all doing great out there. Henry again from smartmoney.com. So I've been scouring the markets again to look at some programs that one can profit from, really. So a couple is coming up at the moment, and well, there's a few ICOs coming up, which I think you should be paying attention to, and which seems like a good investment if you play it right. So there are a lot of ICOs, but I'm going through and just checking which ones will be more beneficial and more profitable for you. So I'll come back with another video on a strategy that you can use for these. But I'm just going to give you some insight on some of the coins that I think is worth looking into, exploring, and really see what you can get out of it, because I think there's a couple of good ones that's worth putting money into for a quick turnaround and cash. So and one of them is Thorncoin. There's 3 or 4 that I'm looking at the moment. I made one on the previous on my previous video. I think it's davorcoin that I've reviewed, which I think is something to look into. The next one is Thorncoin, and I'm going to come back with another one, which is CHRYSOS, one that definitely you need to look into as well. So let me just give you a quick overview on a Thorncoin. So this is, they're gonna have an initial ICO, which is initial coin offering, which will be starting on the 18th. So if you want to get in on it, now is the time to look into it and actually get on board with it, right? So these are just some insight onto how they would work. So this is the coin, Thorncoin. So it's an open source financial peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. So what Thorncoin basically is, they're going to be it's a lending platform similar to BitConnect, etc., which they will be using. You can then buy their coin and then actually lend the coin on their platform. All right. So these are just some insights on it. So the name of the coin, Thorncoin, the symbol, right? Important to look at that. So the maximum total supply is key. It's only 9 million, right? So I think that's going to create a huge demand because there is not that many of them. I mean, the one that I looked at the other day was the davorcoin, which has 40 million. So you can see the difference between the two. I mean, this is only 9 million. The ICO supply is only 6.2 million. Again, that's going to create a huge demand for it. So if you want interested in it, get in early, right? Then they basically build their platform on the Ethereum blockchain. And the reason for that is, well, there's some of the reasons, because it can't be shut down, guaranteed stability, the transactions, every user is able to access the platform easily, etc. Transaction fees are lower. All right, they've got their own wallet as well, so you will basically upload your money into your in your wallet, which is on the platform, and you can then either trade from there or lend if you want to do that. These are just some of the information they've got. Why they're different, you can read through all of that. But yeah, some of the benefits of the Thorncoin, as I say, low fees, peer-to-peer, secure, private, limited supply, right? And they will basically buy back. So we will look at the prices shortly, what they're going for. The ICOs, so pre-sale coin offering that they're doing. So there's only 9 million Thorncoins, right? So as you can imagine, as I say, the demand for it is going to be huge, and they will basically buy it back for you, from you. Okay, so these are the pre-coin sales. So you can get it now for only like 50 cents, right? So I would jump in straight away from the 18th, right? And then the phase 1 goes up to 70 cents until the 27th of January, $1.20. Right, these are various ways to earn. So these are the four-way trading, lending, obviously, which is what I'll be interested in. You can stacking them just by holding it, and also the referral programs, right? And coin exchange, where they're gonna go on the external exchanges. 3rd of March, crypto and Lifecoin will follow soon. And this is just a lending program, how that works. So the amounts between 100 and 1,000, right, is going to give you up to 43% monthly return. Get your capital back in 260 days. Minimum capital lock-in is 180 days, right? So obviously the higher you go, the quicker you will get your money back. So if you go in at 20,000 plus, it's only 120 days. Get that 43% plus a daily 20%. So whereas if you go in at this level, which is fine, you get only either the 43%, which is good enough for me, right? So obviously you go based on what you can afford, and to get your return on investment there. This is just the stacking. Alright, so the stacking process where you can also earn money. So these this is one of the coins, so that I say definitely look into it and look at what you get out of it. I'll definitely be registering and getting on board. I'll go through that process now just to show you how to do it. This is just further information. You can go read up more on it. Alright, so this is the affiliated link. So level 1 is 8%, level 2, level 3, etc. Right. Now I'll go back to showing you just how to register, which is straightforward, and then get on board with it. Right, so here we are with Thorncoin, and I'm just gonna go through the registration. So register, the usual stuff really. First name, last name, email, gmail.com, your password. Yeah, agree terms and conditions. No, I'm not a robot. And then we'll look at the street signs thingy. Yay, finally. Right. Register. Yes, I want to save the password. So my account is successfully created. So with this one, there is no, they don't send an email out. So no verification email for this one. So you can literally from here, once registered, just go sign in. Right. Let's see, if I go in here. I haven't enabled my 2FA, which I will do shortly. Finally. Right, so here we are on the platform. So currently 50 cents, as we say. Pending, pre-sale is not open yet, so I'll be getting my money ready to transfer, and then you know, as soon as pre-sale is open, I will be jumping in. So that's my dashboard. Just shows you all the details, my wallet. Right, so when you exchange, I'll do another video on this, but exchange your Bitcoin for Thorncoin, etc., etc. Right, so that's me. I'll be back with some more videos. Thanks for watching, and as I say, as always, do your homework, do your due diligence on it. Make sure that you're happy with it. Make sure that you can afford to lose the money that you're going to invest. So because with these programs, you know, there's a risk in them disappearing and all sorts, but that's the risk you're taking. It's a risk stepping out the front door. So as always, guys, please like, subscribe the channel, and I'll be back with some more information. And don't forget to click the little bell for notifications on other videos. Thanks for watching, and keep being smart with your money. Cheers.